Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can import gift card products to Shopify using Matrixify in bulk. So let's get started. Now we first need to start off by making sure that gift cards are activated in our store. This is really important because without having even just one gift card product created in your store, gift cards will not be activated, and that means Matrixify will not be able to create gift card products in your store. So it's very important that gift card products are first activated. So to do so, head to your product in your Shopify admin and then under product, select gift cards. Here you'll then be able to see you can either create a gift card or a gift card product. I'm just going to go ahead and create a gift card product quickly. We can give this gift card product any title we would like. So for example, Matrixify gift card, and then that would be it, and press save, and you'll be able to see that the gift card product has been created, as you can see here, and that in turn then means that gift cards and gift card products have been activated for our store. So now we can get to creating our file to import gift card products. Here I am in Excel, and this is where we're going to be creating our gift card products for import. So I'm now going to just zoom in slightly. And we're first going to start off by naming our sheet or tab in the file. Now we need to name our sheet or tab product. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And once you've made sure that your sheet or tab in your Excel file is products, we can then go ahead and start adding our column headers. Now the column headers that we need to add are title, gift card, option 1 name, option 1 value, and variant price. And we can now start adding values for those columns. Title would be the title of our gift card. So I'm going to name the title of my gift card 1. You can name your gift card anything you would want to name your gift card. As this is purely an example from my side, I am going to give it a very generic name, which is gift card 1, but you can name your gift card anything you would like to name it. That would be completely up to you. The next column would then be gift card, and as we are importing a gift card product, the value for this column would need to be true. So I'll go ahead and add that now. And here we have option 1 name and option 1 value. Now, these columns are not mandatory for creating a gift card product. It is also possible to completely omit them from the file and import just title, gift card, and variant price. And these generally would be the minimum required columns to create a gift card product. However, in my case, I would actually like to add a variant for my gift card product. And the variant that I would like to add would be different prices for my gift cards. So that would look something like this. When talking about gift card products, we usually think about denominations. So that is also what I'm going to name my variant for my gift card product. So in this case, the option 1 name, or the name of my variant, is going to be denominations. So here we will add denominations, and as a value I'd then add the value of the denomination. So I'm going to start with 10, and then subsequently for variant price I'm also going to add 10, as that would be the value of that variant, or in my case the denomination. Now, this isn't to say that the option 1 name and value have to be as I have added it here. You can add any variant as you would like to your gift card product. You can even add a variant which is a color. So for example, option 1 name, the value would be color, and then for option 1 value, the value for this column would then be a color, for example, red. But usually, yes, when talking about gift cards, we do talk about denominations, and those are the variants that I'm adding here. So now let's say I'd like to add another denomination to my gift card product. To do so, I then need to add another row to my gift card product. So I'm going to repeat the title value. So that would be gift card 1 again. And you don't have to repeat the gift card column value, you can leave that for the first row, or you can also repeat it. It's completely up to you, but leaving it in the first row will work exactly as we need it to regardless. Then for option 1 name, we are going to repeat denominations again. But this time for option 1 value, we're going to be adding the value 20 instead of 10. And then again, for variant price, we'll go ahead and add 20. And that really would be it. This would be how you can create a gift card product with 2 variants. Now you can also add other columns to this import as well. You can also add the options to the variants that we've added here as well. That would be completely up to you. So for example, for the columns, you may choose to add a description for your gift card product. And to do so, you would then add a column called body HTML, which then would be a description for your gift card product. You can also add a SKU for your gift card product. So you can add a SKU for each variant that we've added. You can also add an image to your gift card product variant. And here you would add a publicly available and a direct link to the image you would like to add for each of your variants to the gift card product. However, in my case, I am going to keep my file incredibly simple and import with only the columns you can see here, but just so you know, you can definitely add more columns to this as well, and I will leave a link in the description of this video to our products documentation so you can see all of the different columns that you can add for import. And if all looks good and as it should, we can then go ahead and save our file. You can save the file as anything you would like. So go ahead and save the file. In my case, I'm going to be naming my import gift card import, but as mentioned, you can save the file as anything. It is completely up to you. And then once saved, we can head back to the Matrixify app. Here I am in the Matrixify app, and this is where we're going to be importing the file that we have just created and saved. So to do so, go ahead and click Add File, and then select the file that we've just created and saved. In my case, that's gift card import. In your case, that would be whatever you decided to name the file when saving. So then go ahead and drag and drop into the Matrixify app or press open, whichever works best for you. And then you'll see the file uploading and analyzing. So as you can see here, the app has correctly identified that I'm importing product and that my file contains one product and has also identified all of the columns correctly. You don't need to change any of the import options for this import. The default ones will work fine and exactly as we need them to. And if all looks good and as it should, we can go ahead and press import. You'll then see the file importing. And once imported, you'll be able to see that we've created one new gift card product. And to see that in our Shopify admin, go to Products, Gift Cards, and then click on View Gift Card Product. And here you'll be able to see the gift card you have just created. In my case, that would be gift card 1. And if we click on it, we'll be able to see that a gift card has been created. And here we can see our denominations, which were with the value 10 and 20. And that really would be it. That is how you can create gift card products with the Matrixify app. Now we also offer a written tutorial on this very same topic as well, and I will also leave a link in the description of this video to this tutorial so you can easily get to it if you prefer following a written tutorial rather than a video tutorial. And if you have any queries, questions or concerns at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We would be more than happy to help. You can reach us via Slack, where we have MyBar, our AI assistant, which will be happy to help you instantly, and our support team will jump in if necessary. You can also reach us via email at support@matrixify.app. And we also offer an in-app chat with MyBar, which can be found either in the Matrixify app itself or also here on our website. And to get to MyBar, just click on the speech bubble at the bottom of the page, and you'll then be able to start a conversation with MyBar. And here you can already see MyBar is asking how they can help. And that would be it from me today. That is how you can import gift card products in bulk to Shopify using the Matrixify app.